Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make banana buns recipe. So let's start the process. Here I have used small bananas. You can take a big banana. Mash them to a fine paste by using a spoon or with your hands. Now add sugar and mix it. In the banana paste add wheat flour, yogurt, salt, cumin seeds and ghee. Make a soft dough. Note that here I have not used water to make a dough. Cover the dough for at least an hour. Take a small portion of the dough. Make round ball like this. Dip in the flour and roll into a small puri. Likewise, make puris from the remaining dough. Heat oil in a pan and fry the puris one by one. Puris are now ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes.